In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a high-performance LCD 3D printer designed for precision and efficiency. Featuring a 13.6-inch 7K black and white screen, it offers an impressive maximum print size of 298 by 168 by 300 mm, making it suitable for various applications. This model is CE certified and operates on a voltage range of 110-220V, ensuring compatibility in multiple regions. With no high-concerned chemicals or wireless connectivity, it focuses on straightforward functionality. Priced at BDT 112, $748.45 after a 15% discount from the original price of BDT 132, $645.24, it represents a valuable investment for those seeking reliable 3D printing solutions. Additional savings of 2% can be availed with coins, while taxes are excluded from the listed price and will be added at checkout if applicable. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Combo is a cutting-edge 3D printer that offers an expansive print volume of 420mm x 420mm x 500mm, making it ideal for creating large-scale models such as helmets and detailed structures. With advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity, auto-leveling via the LeviQ 3.0 system, and a maximum printing speed of 600mm per second, it enhances efficiency and precision in the printing process. The printer supports various filament types, including PLA, TPU, ABS, and PETG, and is equipped with a user-friendly 4.3-inch LCD touch control screen. Notable functionalities include automatic filament refill, filament tangle detection, and intelligent drying, which work together to streamline the printing experience and reduce material wastage. Additionally, the Anycubic Slicer Next software simplifies the slicing process, allowing for versatile file compatibility and local network file transfers. Priced at BDT 59, $163.55 after a 33% discount from BDT 88, $303.80, this model represents an excellent value for both hobbyists and professionals looking to elevate their 3D printing capabilities. Taxes are excluded from the listed price and will be added at checkout if applicable. Number 3. Creality High Combo 3D Printer. The Creality High Combo 3D Printer is an advanced FDM printer that combines speed, precision, and versatility, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. With a robust build volume of 260mm x 260mm x 300mm and a maximum printing speed of 500mm per second, it enables the rapid creation of intricate models. The printer features a fully automatic leveling system, ensuring optimal print surfaces, and supports multicolor printing through its innovative 4-slot CFS system, allowing for up to 16 colors in a single print. Equipped with a 3.2-inch HD color touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, and compatibility with various slicing software like Creality Print and Cura, it offers user-friendly operation. The printer's durable metal build enhances stability and longevity, while additional features such as filament detection and power loss recovery enhance the overall printing experience. Priced at BDT 102, $204.86 after a significant discount from BDT 170, $543.88, this model represents an excellent investment for those looking to elevate their 3D printing capabilities. Taxes are excluded from the listed price and will be added at checkout if applicable. Number 4. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D Printer is an advanced FDM machine designed for high-speed and high-precision printing, featuring a maximum print speed of 600mm per second and a build volume of 220mm x 220mm x 250mm. This printer is equipped with an all-metal direct drive extruder and a tri-metal nozzle capable of reaching temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing it to handle a wide variety of filaments, including carbon fiber composites. The K1C includes smart features such as an AI camera for real-time monitoring, automatic leveling for hassle-free setup, and a built-in air purifier to maintain a clean printing environment. With a precision of 100mm plus or minus 0.1mm and compatibility with multiple slicing software options, it caters to both hobbyists and professionals looking to create intricate models efficiently. Priced at BDT 90, 373.68 after a 38% discount from BDT 145, 764.00, this printer represents a great value for those seeking to enhance their 3D printing capabilities. Taxes are excluded from the listed price and will be added at checkout if applicable. Number 5. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer is a high-performance FDM machine that combines speed, precision, and user-friendly features, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. With a maximum printing speed of 600mm per second and a build volume of 220mm x 220mm x 250mm, it allows for the rapid production of intricate designs while maintaining a layer height accuracy of plus or minus 0.2mm. The printer features an advanced Core XZ motion system for enhanced stability and a clog-free direct drive extruder that supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, TPU, and carbon fiber composites. Its auto-leveling system simplifies setup, while the integrated tri-metal nozzle ensures efficient operation. Equipped with a 4.3-inch HD color touchscreen and connectivity options such as Wi-Fi and USB, the Ender 3v3 Plus offers a seamless experience from slicing to monitoring via the Creality Cloud app, priced at BDT 61, 803.94 after a 40% discount from BDT 103, 006.56. This printer represents excellent value for those looking to elevate their 3D printing capabilities. Taxes are excluded from the listed price and will be added at checkout if applicable.